Alright, how can you tell if your AirPods are real or fake? Get a wireless charger. You see how this one stick? That's real. That's real. Fake. Fake. Forget about running those numbers or filling the box. This is the real deal here. Real. Fake. Fake. Real.